Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, my friend. How are you today?
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. I'm so happy you are here again.
My name is Wilbert.
And I'm Donna.
Take a deep breath, relax.
And get ready to learn English slowly, step by step.
Today, we have a very useful topic.
Oh, yes, very useful.
Today, we are learning English at a coffee shop.
Yay! I love coffee.
Me too. Coffee makes me happy.
Coffee makes me awake.
Before we start, my friend,
If you like this lesson, please click the like button.
and don't forget to subscribe.
It's free and it helps you learn every day.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. Donna, imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop.
I can smell the coffee already.
Yes, it smells so good.
So I walk in. What do I say?
You can say, hello.
Simple and easy.
Repeat with me. Hello.
One more time. Hello.
Now you look at the menu.
So many drinks.
Coffee, tea, juice.
Hot drinks, cold drinks.
Sometimes I don't know what to choose.
Me too. Everything looks good.
Now it's your turn to order.
Okay, I'm ready.
The worker says, "What would you like?"
Repeat slowly. What would you like?
Now you answer, "I would like."
Very important phrase.
Repeat, "I would like."
Example, I would like a coffee.
Or, "I would like a latte."
Your turn. Say it out loud. I would like.
Good job. The worker may ask, "Hot or iced?"
Hot or iced?
Hot means warm.
Iced means cold with ice.
Repeat, hot or iced.
You can say, hot, please.
Or iced, please.
Now the worker asks, what size?
Size, small, medium, or large.
Repeat, small,
Medium.
large.
You can say medium, please.
Simple and clear.
The worker may ask, "Do you want sugar?"
Repeat, do you want sugar?
You can say, "Yes, please."
Or, no, thank you.
What about milk?
Good question.
The worker asks, "Do you want milk?"
Same answer. Yes, please. Or, no, thank you.
Now you pay.
The worker says, that's $5.
Repeat, "That's $5."
Then you say, here you go.
This means, "Here is the money."
Repeat, here you go.
Now you wait for your drink.
Waiting, waiting.
Sometimes they call your name.
Donna,
That's you.
that's me.
You go to the counter.
And take your drink.
You say, "Thank you."
Always say thank you.
Now you sit down.
Ah, relax.
Take a sip.
Delicious.
Delicious. Good word.
Repeat, delicious.
Let's practice useful questions.
Number 1, what would you like?
Number 2, hot or iced?
Number 3, what size?
Number 4, do you want sugar?
Number 5, how much is it?
Let's practice together.
You are the customer.
Hello, what would you like?
I would like a coffee.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size?
Medium, please.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, please.
That's $5.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, your turn.
Pause the video and practice.
Great job today.
You are learning real English.
Practice every day.
Slowly, step by step.
Now, tell us in the comments.
What do you like to drink?
Coffee, tea, juice.
Tell us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, my friend.